All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So the Tech21 brand is a brand that we all know of, and they've sent me over a couple of cases here. Definitely some drop protection cases. And I've got the Evo Check and I've got the Evo Tactical. Now, the Tactical is one that I have never had or experienced, so I'm pretty sure it's nice. So just looking at the packaging here, 12 feet drop protection for both of these. They're both thin, they both give a lifetime warranty, and these are for the S9 Plus. And they give you a little bit about the technology of the cases on the back. So just wanted to show you this real quick so you can see it for yourself. You can pause and read it. And now I'm going to put these on the phone. Really nice. Now the Evo Check is one that we all know about. If you have the lilac or a black, this will probably look really cool. I guess it really doesn't matter with either one of them. These will all work with wireless charging. People often ask that, and why didn't you demo that it works with wireless charging? Well, this is just plastic, so if there's no metal contacts or anything on there, it'll work with the wireless charging. So you can see how they do the ports down here. They have big openings here, and they also have it like cut off at the back. That way you have no problems with the adapter portion going in. So if you decide to use something that's non-OEM, it'll work right. And this is kind of like a fuchsia or magenta, pink or whatever. You can see the buttons covered up, and they got a little design around the buttons in this one. But this is how it looks. All the ports and everything are open. Buttons are very tactile, man. It's really, really nice how these feel. So this should be okay. Make sure that microphone is cut out on the top if you decide to pick this up in whatever color you get. So now let's try on the Tactical. The Tactical is one that, again, I have never heard of, but it's got a really nice design. And this is these cases are thin, but when you put them on the device, they feel really solid and sturdy. So you can see it has like this. This is actually a texture design. It feels weird. You rub it, get that little tingly feel. You got some branding on the bottom here, just like that one with the Tech21, but you can actually see it more pronounced on here because of the color. And then you've got the same cutout and ports for the back. All the buttons and everything are open, or excuse me, covered. With a nice bumpy feel to them. It's not ridged, but it's just raised really nicely. Microphone cut out up top there as well. And then all ports are going to be cut out as well too. So buttons, this case feels a little bit more stiff than that one when pressing. But you might just need to press a little bit harder. But other than that, man, there it is. That is the Tactical and the Check from Tech21. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.